Fabella Hospital employees can heave a sigh of relief. Mercury level tests conducted on some of them following a leak yielded negative results. Christine Santos tells us more.
The National Center for Mental Health assisted Dr. Jose Fabella Hospital's employees through stress debriefing activities. This followed the mercury leak happened in the said hospital, which terrified its workers.
Aside from fear, yung kailangan assurance na ano pang gagawin namin after this, na pag binigay na yung mga lab test, mga medicines, ano pang pwedeng gawin sa kanila.
The employees were relieved after the hospital officials announced the normal results of the mercury level test. Health authorities confirmed that the hospital workers' performance were affected by the incidents.
Normal po yung blood levels ng mercury ng directly exposed personnel namin. So this is a very reassuring info.
Dr. Jose Fabella Hospital was known to be the leading lying-in center in the Philippines. No wonder many were concerned on the latest developments to the mercury leak incidents. The hospital on their part gave assurance to their patients that their health will no longer be affected.
Okay naman na po ngayon kesa kahapon. Kasi kahapon po meron pa po yung amoy. Sa ngayon, mas okay naman na po siya kasi wala naman na po. Parang normal na lang po siya.
For People's Television Network, Christine Santos.